Hi everyone, welcome you all to the channel Life Secrets. Hope this video finds everyone in their best of health and happiness. Today guys, I have come up with various Excel shortcuts. Excel is one of the most important software we use in our daily lives, and almost each and every person gets some work in the Excel. So I have been bringing up various shortcuts. This is the first part of it, and many other videos on Excel and on various software will be released in the upcoming videos. So today let's start with some amazing Excel shortcuts, and before that let us proceed to a small survey on the importance of using the shortcut. It has been seen that there is a survey conducted, and 99% of people according to that survey said that shortcuts are very important and critical to them. Because guys, generally we do not use shortcuts, we are not aware about it. Even if we are aware, we are not that much aware about it. So we are tend of not using such shortcuts, and thus increase our time and reduce our productivity or efficiency. But shortcuts on the other hand contribute in saving our time. It increases our productivity, it increases our efficiency, and thereby helping a lot. So I have been making videos on such important shortcuts so that we can easily do our work and reduce the time to the minimal. And then the survey have resulted into the following figures, such as 26% of people just know 10 or fewer shortcuts, 61 10 to 50, and only 10% who know 50 to 100 shortcuts. So guys, see, only 10% of population knows 50 to 100 shortcuts, and there are about 200 shortcuts in the Excel itself. So let's understand all such shortcuts and make our way towards the productivity and efficiency. Coming up with the first shortcut, that is launch function arguments dialog easily with Ctrl+A. There are many new functions, formulas which we aren't aware of. So for all such formulas, for example, let's see here. If I use a function called match, if I'm not aware of that particular function, I could directly type Ctrl+A, go to their dialog box appear, and in the dialog box I could easily see the bifurcations. In the bifurcations I could get to know what all the arguments are needed and what is the result of that particular function. There also lies a help button through which we can understand these arguments very easily and come to know what the function is exactly about, instead of going each and every time to Google. So this can be a very useful function. The next function is use eData to move a date on by a full calendar month. Generally, by eDate we could easily go to the succeeding month. For example, if we pull down by that formula, we could get the dates or we could get the day, but eDate, by using eDate we could get the succeeding months easily. So this is very important, another important shortcut. The next one is remove spaces with trim. Generally we have various information in our cells, and if the data is huge and they are with the spaces, it tends to be difficult to apply the formula to it or copy paste to the other area wherever we require. So by using trim we could easily cut off that unnecessary spaces in between the information within a cell and could get a result as we need. The next is watch window under the formula tab. The formula tab is very important, one of the very important tab in the whole Excel, and watch window is very important feature, and generally we tend to ignore this feature and many of us don't know about it. The watch window, if we you can see in the demonstration, select the feature and you can select any area in the sheet, any cell or any area, and this feature keeps eye on that cell, that area, and whatever changes are happening to that area or that particular cell, that can be easily tracked upon. There is autocorrect option also available in the MS Excel, but if not, if there is some mistake in various spellings, easily by selecting F7 you could spell check all your words, and you could ignore the words you don't want to correct, or you could correct the words which are wrongly written. So this is another very important shortcut. The next is current time. By using control shift and semicolon, we could get the current time whatever time we are working in. Next is inserting new chart. By using this shortcut F11, we could easily insert a new chart and could do a lot of things with that chart instead of going to all the tabs and then creating it. The next is, guys, same data in multiple cells. Select the range wherever you want to paste that data, then write that data, whatever information you wanna give in the cell, in the one cell, then press Ctrl Enter to the selected range, then see the magic. This is very useful when we want the repetitive data. Next is inserting a comment. Generally we chartered accountants and all other corporate houses and whoever has a lot of work with these excels for analyzing, interpreting various things, we require to insert a comment wherever we find any query. So the shortcut is Shift plus F2. By this we can easily insert a comment and we needn't go to various review tabs and all for inserting comment. The next one, as I said, that the current date. By using control and semicolon, you could easily get what is the current date instead of typing the various formulas. So guys, these were various important shortcuts and there are n number of shortcuts still available, and I will be covering many of such shortcuts, many of such formulas. Even there are many formulas we don't know about, and once we know such formulas, work in Excel becomes so easy. So I am gonna demonstrate you all such formula in the upcoming video. So friends, the answers to the last video of treasure hunt, that is treasure hunt 03, are as follows. Congratulations to all the winners, to the best comment, and thank you everyone. So the first winner of the last video is Shining Star. The owner is Riddhi Chajed. The YouTube channel is all about dance, fashion and many more superb, many more videos gonna come. So I request everyone to subscribe this channel to get best out of it. And the next winner is Rizwana Muzawa. And then I had asked a question, why the WhatsApp is banned in many countries, in the last video. So, and also I said that whoever gonna answer correctly to the question will get a surprise gift in this video. Accordingly, Rizwana Muzawa answered correctly to that question, and in return she gonna get the gift, that is she can promote anything she want in coming 2 videos of treasure hunt, even if she don't answer or participate in the game time. So the best comment goes to the NKRTube3107 owner Nimesh Runwal. Thank you very much for such a lovely comment. We'll make more such videos, hope, and I'm very thankful and kindful to each and everyone, because the video is proving to be useful to all of you. So I'm very glad, and I will be making more such videos. Thank you. Stay tuned, treasure hunters. भाई और बहनों, जानते हैं आज के विजेता कौन रहेंगे अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए चैनल के साथ बने रहिए। लाइफ सीक्रेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करके रखिए, तभी तो आपको पता चलेगा, तभी तो आप जीत पाओगे। वीडियो कैसे लगा, आपके सजेशंस, कमेंट्स, फेवरेट हैक वगैरह जरूर ओपिनियन पोल पे बताइए मेरे को। एंड मेरे वेरियस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में जरूर फॉलो करिए ताकि अपडेट्स आपको मिलते रहे। टेलीग्राम चैनल पर जरूर ज्वाइन करिए ताकि इंस्टेंटली आपको अपडेट्स एट द फर्स्ट मिलते रहे। एंड थैंक यू गाइज फॉर मोटिवेटिंग। आपका हर एक ओपिनियन, सजेशंस मेरे को हर एक वीडियो में एक नया चेंज लाने के लिए मोटिवेट करता है, इसलिए कमेंट सजेशन देते रहिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो विथ मी। लेट अस क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट एंड ओरिजिनल इन एवरी न्यू वीडियो। धमाकेदार वीडियो आते रहेंगे गाइज। एंड ऑन लिंक्स मेरे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है। जीएसटी एंड टैक्सेशन अपडेट्स के लिए, बिजनेस को अप टू डेट रखने के लिए और एक दिए गए चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।